Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your AIG insurance plan, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your AIG insurance plan, first, visit the official AIG website. Look for the customer login or sign in section on the homepage. Click on it to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you do not have an account yet, locate the register or create account option. Fill out the required fields with your personal information. This may include your name, email address, policy number, and date of birth. After completing the registration form, submit it to create your account. Check your email for a verification link from AIG. Click on the link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the AIG website. Log in using your newly created username and password. Navigate to the Policy Management or Activate Policy section. Select the specific insurance plan you wish to activate. Follow the prompts to enter any additional required information. This may include payment details if applicable. Review all your information for accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, click the Activate button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your plan is now active. Save any confirmation emails for your records. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact AIG customer support for assistance. They can guide you through activation or resolve any technical problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.